Today we will be talking about the PLK A3 DTF printer with powder shaker and dryer, an all-in-one powerhouse for textile printing that redefines efficiency and print quality. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below at the latest price. This 2025 upgraded model is equipped with a high-speed XP600 printhead, delivering prints at 500 mm superscript 2/s, twice the speed of older models like the L1800 and L805. Whether you're working with tight deadlines or high volume demands, this printer maintains a crisp 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution, producing sharp, vibrant designs that meet professional standards. The integrated DTF powder shaker eliminates the need for manual powder application, significantly reducing production time and human error. This is especially useful for long shifts or bulk orders where consistency matters most. The PLK A3 DTF printer is also thoughtfully designed with the user in mind. The one-click ink setup makes the initial process and ongoing ink refills completely hassle-free, sparing you from messy spills and saving valuable time. Its advanced white ink circulation system ensures uninterrupted performance by preventing clogs and reducing maintenance downtime. This not only protects the printhead but also minimizes operational disruptions, an essential feature for businesses that rely on consistent output. Adding to its convenience, this model includes a built-in film cutter for precise, clean edges and a smart touchscreen interface that simplifies all controls and adjustments. You can navigate settings effortlessly and focus more on growing your business rather than troubleshooting your equipment. Weighing 110 pounds and built with a sturdy metal frame, the printer is designed for durability in demanding environments. Whether you're launching a new custom t-shirt brand or scaling up your current production, the PLK A3 DTF printer offers the robust features and automation needed to streamline your workflow and maintain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced print industry.